has one purpose anyways, just to kind of be a back road ripper.
Making all the right noises.
Yep. So this car has an AGT 52 stock frame turbo. Actually, so you're not too deep in the Evo world. So AGT is owned by Tyler Gennari. He's actually out of Pennsylvania. He's actually the guy I bought the red Evo from. So he kind of builds turbos on the side. He's really big in the Evo world, does a lot of like stock frame turbo stuff. The turbo on the red Evo is actually one of his full frame turbos that I'm testing for him.
Oh,
so
nice.
It's a 5762 that I'm the first one to run it, and so he's pretty excited to see what that does on the dyno. We'll just go down this way. I'm probably going to end up going a little bit more race car with this thing after I put a built motor in. Like I've kind of been looking at like tubular subframe stuff, maybe a little bit more track focused, and I'll probably end up just ripping all the AC out. Feel weird being on the left?
It does, yeah.
So is it your first right-hand drive car experience too?
I believe so, yeah. I'm trying to think, and I don't know, but
some of my friends say it's kind of scary. It's kind of like because they feel like they're like dodging traffic.
Well, I feel like I should be driving.
Yeah, or that too. And you can't really see out of the mirror either.
I don't know if you
noticed. Yeah. We'll rip it a little bit. I mean, I won't kill you, but
no, you're good.
Of course, traffic. Would actually be a really good race. I've been thinking about it. I don't know though. The Porsche pull is really good up top.
Yeah.
Just turn around at the end of this road.
I can't remember the road, but there's a pretty decent loop if you turn left and come back.
Yeah,
and
Union City.
It brings you up to there, but I can't remember exactly what road
we can do that. It'll be easier. It actually goes right by where I'm building my house.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm going back down there in September. They're doing like a Rally Legends Day.
Okay.
So it's kind of the same guy that does the Evo Day. Oh, nice little black cat. He does like an Evo Day in the spring, and then he does Rally Legends in the fall, which is more like Subarus and Evos.
Oh,
yeah, I'm gonna take this back down there.
I will say, I think the Evo is messing with his gimbal because it keeps on like not knowing what to do. We're getting a little angled there, but it's definitely weird passing cars.
Yeah, yeah.
Being over here.
Yep, I actually was on that yesterday.
So
It takes you to College Hill.
Yep.
Yep.
Very fun on a supermoto.
Yeah. There's a lot of houses and like blind hills and curves, but it's a fun little road. Yeah.
Well,
I actually just discovered that road a couple weeks ago.
oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So I've got a buddy that took me on it. He actually lives in the subdivision back there, right past where you're at, and he took me back to there. And what's really fun about it on a motorcycle,
Yeah, right here.
yeah, is there's a lot of jumps.
Yeah.
A lot of jumps.
I know there's like one really bad like blind hill that
that thing is so sketchy.
Yeah.
I've never really hit it good.
Yeah.
Just because I've never had somebody like to spot.
There's just so many houses down back through there too.
Yeah.
Have you gone this way? This way is pretty fun. Takes you kind of down to like a creek.
Yeah. Yeah, I think there's actually a road back through there to get to College Hill as well.
Oh, really?
Yep. Yeah, so whenever I was working in Lexington, I would go straight back there, and there's some good roads back there as well. But you have to be careful because it gets to like 1.5 lanes, sort of like Oakley Wells.
Yeah.
To where like if you meet like farmers and stuff, they're coming straight at you. So
yeah, we're doing a cruise tomorrow, and we it's one of our Estel routes. So we
I saw that.
we go to the Heisenberg Bridge.
Okay.
You know where that's at? It's off of 390. So you go down 399. It's like you take 52 to like 399, I think it's called, and we go all the way down to the Heisenberg Bridge.
I'm not
It's
sure
where it goes over the Kentucky River.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a really good road.
Yeah, I mean, I ride up like past Ravenna, going up over the mountain, all that stuff.
Yeah.
On bikes.
We go that way to start with, but yeah, we usually go like up around the mountain to start.
Yeah.
And then it eventually takes us to 399, then we'll take that to the bridge.
Okay. Recently, have you done the Hillbilly Triangle? So I just recently done it, and it goes basically from Ravenna.
Right here's where my house is getting built. I haven't been down here today, so I was curious if they've done anything.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. Yeah, this whole property right here is what I bought. It's like 2.5 acres.
Oh, nice. It's a good location, dude.
Yeah. It's a fun road too, like just to
yeah, for sure.
you're allowed out of town a little bit.
But you're still close enough to everything.
Yeah. Well, my kids' school is like right across the street on 4 Mile, so it's only like 10 minutes from my kids' school. This car is like the exact opposite of the Red Evo. Like the Red Evo is like so much more laggy and.
Oh yeah. City side. Yeah.
But yeah, that leads to Union City Road as well.